Now, whether you drive a car, an SUV, or maybe even a cargo truck, or perhaps a very large 16, 18, or maybe even a 24-wheeler commercial CDL truck. The question is that a lot of people are starting to have to slow down because, they have to pay the toll. Well, we know a few years ago that they were getting away from the concept of using tokens. That's gone. And they have been trying for a while to push people to use Easy Pass in New Jersey. They want to go to something called basically cashless toll collection. And we've already seen it over the last year or two, pioneered by a company that wasn't even in the state of New Jersey. And so what's happening now is they're trying to put more highways in place that actually will allow you to maintain your speed, whether that's 55, whether that's 65, without having to slow down, without having to go to a booth. And actually these overheads were able to pick up from the RFID tag. Now, we've already seen this on some highways being tested, but it's not been rolled out everywhere. They're saying by 2025 that we're not going to have toll booths anymore that you're going to slow down to, but they're just going to be that basically bridge over the highway with the scanners, and they're going to be able to just pick up the information. And of course, if you do not have Easy Pass, well, it'll just very quickly take a snap of your license plate and send you a bill in the mail. Let me know your thoughts about this, and what do you think about the fact that now they don't want to have toll booths anymore, and that you're just going to be riding on the highway. They're claiming it's going to be a lot safer. I hear them, but I really don't think it's being done for safety. I think it's being done for money, because let's face it, now they don't have to have toll booths. Now they don't have to have somebody there. You rarely had somebody in the past that would collect. Now you're going to have nobody. So that means that if you don't have Easy Pass, well, you're going to be getting a notice in the mail. And incidentally, if you do ignore that notice, you'll get a second notice. And if you ignore the second notice, well, you're going to get a friendly invitation to appear to visit your local judge. Let me know your thoughts about what you think about Easy Pass and what you think about the whole concept of cashless toll collection. Are you on board with this or not? Let me know.